So we detected some more unusual option activity on Airbnb today, June 2nd. It is now 2:44 p.m. These unusual options were done 1:52 p.m. So if you want to be updated on these unusual options, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. These expire today, and there's 3,000 of them for the 115 strike price calls, and since we are at 116 for Airbnb, these are in the money, and it is a bullish signal to us. The unusual options we detected earlier this morning were also bullish, and we can go over those at this time. These expire 7 days away on June 9. You'll see here that they were for the 119 strike price calls, over 5,000 of them, and also the 127 calls. There were over 4,000 of them. We think they were buying the 119 strike price calls and selling the 127 strike price calls. So what that is a vertical call spread, and this is bullish. You can see here when we analyze the trade, as the price of Airbnb at 116 goes up on the x-axis in price, this will be up and above this zero line, which is the profit loss line on the y-axis. Anything below is a loss, and that's why if this price goes down, it will be a loss. We also know it's bullish because we can look at the Greeks, and this is positive delta here. If it was bearish, it would be a negative delta. So when we look at this trade, how do we know that these calls were being done together? Well, when we look at the options tape and do a little bit more deeper dive into it, you can see when we filter out the series of June 9 here, you can see a lot of the 119 strike price calls being done here and 127 all at the same time here. This is the 9-second mark. Here's the 10-second mark here. Again, these 119s and 127 are being done together. Same with the 12-second mark here. Well, this is actually together because these are all 12 seconds here. And here you have the 13-second here with the 119 and 127 together again. And you can see a lot of this coming in to validate this hypothesis, right? So that's why we think these were call spreads. You'll see also here, the condition here is a spread. Okay, so the way we trade it, though, however, is not the exact same options, because this option trade actually has a very negative theta, a negative 10 theta. And so this is going to decay in value pretty quickly because it's only 7 days away. You'll see that it'll be at a loss if this price at expiration doesn't cross 120. So that is quite a risk in 7 days. So we don't trade like this unless there is more data giving us even more confidence of this bullishness. If you are interested in our trades, you can click our membership program. If you go to our channel homepage, there is a join button, and there are membership levels where you can see how we trade based on these unusual options. Again, we are bullish on Airbnb in the short term. And if you want more videos also on different stocks as well, that is also in our membership program. We have other unusual options that we detected throughout the month that we will see and update everybody if they are part of our membership program. We also do that on our channel as well if you are a subscriber as well. The ones that we cover in our membership program, we are more confident in the direction, and so that is the difference between being a subscriber and being a member. Okay, so as usual, please subscribe and hit that like button so we can continue to try to provide as much content as possible whenever we detect unusual option activity. Thank you and have a wonderful weekend.